Hello friends, you have to cut these leaves into this manner and simply paste them on this sheet. You are going to make this with the help of a glass and cover this. After doing that, you can simply make this by applying the rubber band over the top. Now take a tissue and make these lines. After making so, you can simply roll them, and after rolling them, you can see how they will work by just applying these dots or giving them a pure texture of a snail. Sprinkle some water and they will roll. See how they are moving. Make outline of your palm, and then on the fingers or the drawing of your fingers you can paste sellotape. Now attach these straws and insert some threads inside it, and after inserting some threads inside it, you simply have to see that how it will work. Well, these fingers are working very well. Now you have to take two strips or two sticks all together and paste them. Take another pair of sticks and join them with the help of a rubber band. As you can see, we have made this by just following very easy steps, and this pair of scissors or this picker is being made very easily. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.